Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix no signal on monitor. Okay, it could be on a PC or laptop. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, let's go ahead and do the laptop specific fixes first. Okay, so you're going to want to toggle on the display mode. Just go ahead and press Windows plus P on your keyboard and select duplicate or extend to ensure that the laptop is sending a signal to the external monitor. Okay. So if that won't work, check your adapters or dock. If you're using a USB-C or HDMI adapter, unplug it and plug it back in. And some USB-C ports do not support video output, so make sure that it supports one. Okay, you can go ahead and try different ports if available. All right. So if you're just using an external monitor and the external monitor doesn't work, you can just go ahead and right-click on your Start menu right here. Click on Device Manager. And find display adapters. And here, double-click on your graphics card. Then click on Drivers. Update driver right here. Browse My Computer. Click on Let Me Pick. And then go ahead and try your graphics card signature. Just double-click on it. I'm not going to do it because it will flicker my screen, okay? It will flicker on yours, but don't worry about it. It's normal. So after that, go ahead and check if it helps, okay? So if that doesn't work, for all computers, could be desktop or laptop, you can try to power cycle your device. Okay? Turn off the monitor and also your computer. Unplug all the power cables, wait for 30 seconds, reconnect them all, and after that, turn them back on. Also, you can go ahead and try to unplug and replug the display cable, or try a different cable, such as HDMI or DisplayPort, if available, as cables can fail. So go ahead and check if it works. If that does work, turn on your device. Now press these keys: Windows, Control, Shift, and then B. Okay? Control, Windows, Shift, and B. Okay? Hold them to wake up the graphics driver. Okay? You might hear a beep or your screen may flicker sometimes. And then go ahead and check if it helps. All right? And that's basically it. Now, if that doesn't work, it might be a problem with your GPU connection, the RAM that is not seated properly, or the CMOS battery that needs to be cleared. All right? And that is how you fix no signal on a monitor for PC and laptop. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.